What does a chiropractic adjustment actually do to your spine? That crack you hear, it's gas releasing in your joint, not bones breaking. That's where the Chiropractorr comes in. Stiff joints, pinched nerves, misfiring muscles. When your spine locks up, it disrupts everything from movement to comfort. Forget myths. Research shows chiropractic adjustments deliver modest but real pain relief for back pain, matching standard care without drugs or surgery. Feel better fast. See the shift. Joint surfaces separate slightly, capsules stretch, receptors fire, all triggering a cascade that quiets pain and improves dialogue between your spine and. Without care, stiffness builds, nerves stay irritated, movement stays limited. Regular chiropractic adjustments can prevent chronic back pain and improve posture naturally, supporting long-term spinal health without medication or surgery. Research shows chiropractic adjustments deliver modest but real pain relief for back pain sufferers, with many patients experiencing improved mobility and decreased discomfort within weeks of. As one patient shared, "After just a few visits, my neck tension eased and I could move freely again, no more waking up stiff." Our approach combines adjustments, soft tissue therapy, corrective exercises, and rehabilitation, all tailored to your needs. Worried about discomfort during an adjustment? Most patients feel only mild pressure or a stretching sensation, not pain. Pregnant? See the difference? Restricted joints show tension and limited motion, while adjusted joints regain space, capsules stretch, and neuromuscular receptors fire correctly, restoring natural movement. Ready to move better? Start with a consultation at the Chiropractorr. Research shows chiropractic adjustments deliver modest but real pain relief for chronic back pain, with improvements comparable to standard care. As one patient shared, "After just a few visits, my neck tension melted away and I could turn my head without pain." Our approach combines adjustments, soft tissue therapy, corrective exercises, and rehabilitation, personalized care built for your body, your pain, and your. Check out the link in the description to learn more. If you found this helpful, the Chiropractorr has everything you need, from expert advice to top quality products that deliver real results every time.